Hello and welcome to the Harriet Muller Art channel, giving you the techniques to produce amazing artwork. A lot of you have been asking about my actual artwork. Well, you may know that I also do some illustration, but what I really enjoy doing are portraits, and in particular oil portraits. So here's one that I've almost finished. I've just got to add the finishing touches now, but I'm going to talk you through the process from start to finish. Due to the whole coronavirus situation, I can't do sittings inside, so I'm off to a park to go and see my model and do some sketches. I've got my sketchbook in my bag, just here, and some pencils. Bye! So I do a series of sketches in pencil like this one, which I use as my reference material. Then I go back to the studio, and on a primed canvas I'll use a very, very diluted oil paint in yellow ochre and burnt umber just to put in the tonal values, that's the light and darks. Then I add all the basic colours just to get a feel of the painting, and then I add a little bit more detail, so you can see I've done the eyes, all the features. Here I am painting away in the studio. I have a photograph just as reference and my sketches. You can see I'm using a photo on the iPad that I have just by the painting, just to make sure that I'm getting it exactly right and all the colours right. And then I usually take a step back just to check the painting. That's super important. I then carry on adding a bit more detail. So here I'm adding more lighter areas, I'm upping the contrast, then I smooth it all out again. You can see it gets smoother and smoother as I go along until you get the finished product, which is really smooth. And my client's very happy with it, so that's a good job done.